this topic, we have two main terms, origin and domicile. In origin, we talk about the city or country where we belongs to or where we are from. In domicile, we talk about the city or country where we are currently working or living. For example, if I say I am from India but I live in Canada. So India is my origin, but Canada, that's my domicile. In domicile, we talk about going to any place or living in any place, means in any city, country, continent, state, or province. So for that, you will have to use the prepositions of domicile. These are the prepositions which come under domicile. Pai means country. For country, you can use these four prepositions. First is au or you can use this for all masculine singular countries. En or for all feminine singular countries. En, we can use this for all vowel singular countries as well, for countries which are singular and starts with any vowel. And the last is aux, it's o. We can use this with all plural countries. For example, j'habite en France. I live in France. Here France is ending with E. This is feminine country, feminine singular. That's why here I have put en, en, en. J'habite en France. I live in France. Second, il habite au Canada. Here Canada is masculine country. That's why here it's O, A-U-O. He lives in Canada. Third, elle habite en Inde. Here this Inde is feminine singular country but starts with vowel. That's why here this is en. In India, en Inde. And fourth, nous habitons aux États-Unis. In this États-Unis means United States. This is plural country. That's why here we have put AUX. Nous habitons, we live, aux États-Unis in United States. In origin, we have these prepositions. Du for masculine singular country, the for feminine singular country, the apostrophe for vowel singular country, and they for all plural countries. For cities, we use the, de, the for all the cities. For example, je viens de France. I come from France. France is feminine, that's why here it's the. I come from France. In the second one, il vient d'Italie. Italy is starting with a vowel and is singular. That's why here it is the apostrophe. He comes from Italy. Third, nous venons du Canada. Canada is masculine singular country. That's why here it's du Canada. Fourth, Elle vient des États-Unis. États-Unis is plural. That's why here it's they. She come from United States. Elle vient des États-Unis. In this, as we have used venir verb, venir is irregular verb, which means to come. And the conjugation is like this. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent.